right, guys, welcome back to another episode of One ACT Problem a Day, brought to you by Tutoring Solutions. This one is number 13. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to 4 times x plus 2 plus 3 times 2x minus 1? All right, take a second to pause the video and work the problem. All right, so first thing I noticed is this is which of the following expressions is equivalent to. That means we're simplifying. So we're going to multiply, combine like terms, things like that. I noticed my answer choice is just like x's and numbers. So it looks like we've just gone ahead and distributed and then combined our like terms. So first thing I'm going to do is distribute here because I've got a number sitting in front of a group, right? I've got a number in front of a group. That's always when we distribute. So we multiply inside. 4 times x is 4x plus 4 times 2 is 8. And when I distribute the 3 inside, I'm going to get 6x minus 3. Again, I could stop there and look at my answer choices. None of those match, so they've actually gone the next step further, which is combining the like terms. So they've gone ahead and combined the numbers and the variables separately. When you combine the two numbers together, you get 10x. When you combine the two numbers together, you get plus 5 because it is 8 minus 3. And that looks like that's going to be our answer, except I don't see it. So again, they've done something a little different here. It's definitely not A, because A is 3x plus 8, and our answer is 10x plus 5. Definitely not E, because there's no number there. It's definitely not D. So one of the choices B and C. Now, if you look at B, if I distribute that 5 in, I get 10x plus 5, which is my answer. And if I distribute the 10 in answer choice C, I get 10x plus 10. So it's not C. So I think a quick little elimination of choices there is good, and then finalizing that with answer choice B. You could test values here. It's not the best way to do that in this case, but in a lot of cases, it is a really good way to do that. The expression 4 times x plus 2 plus 3 times 2x minus 1 is equivalent to 5 times 2x plus 1 because for all x, so all values of x, I'll say. So meaning if I pick x equals 2, right? Whatever you get here, when you plug in 2, you get a number, right? When you plug in 2 here, you'll get the same number. If I plug in a half into the first one and I plug in a half into the second one, I'll get the same number. It's the only expression that for all values of x are the same when you evaluate, okay? That's kind of the reason why this works. But I think this is pretty straightforward, and I wouldn't really go that route, but that's good to know for other problems that are like this. When they say the following expression is equivalent to, you can use that logic and just plug in numbers into the answer choices and the question and see which ones match for all x's, okay? All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Really, really appreciate you guys. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, visit us at tutoring-solutions.com. Thanks again.